Well, it's minus 20 again. We're back out on the frozen lake and fresh coyote tracks all the way along across the lake and over to where Jax is. So we're gonna follow that for a while, see what's going on. An update on that little noise I heard. We kind of isolated the other night. I heard some gunshots way off in the distance. So I'm going to assume there were hunters. Maybe it was an animal caught in a trap or something. I mean, the gunshots sound very far away. I know there's nobody around here, but it doesn't mean it's not hunters that come way out. I don't know. Anyway, so I haven't heard that sound since. So I guess that mystery is probably solved for now. Anyways, on following these coyote tracks.